In first items, or we can say articles also, or mobile, radio, TV, heater, they are given. And second column, MP marked price. Don't forget, MP means marked price. It means level price. Mark means level price. That is the maximum price a shopkeeper wants to sell in that price. But it is not possible to sell in that price, so he or she gives the discount. Giving discount, he or she sells the goods. Okay, now selling price. That is selling price. So you make it not actual. Selling price means there is not VAT. There is not getting VAT. Selling price means. Okay, make correction there in the last column, that is selling price SP. We have to find the discount percent of the following goods means how much is the discount percent on mobile, how much is the discount percent on radio, how much is the discount on heater. So you look here, how to do it. Can you find? Okay, first of all, to find discount percent, discount amount we have to find first, at first. How to find discount amount? From given these two things given, mark price given and selling price given. From these two things we have to find out the discount. Discount equal to what? Tell me.
MP minus SP.
MP minus SP.
Yeah, MP minus SP. MP minus SP. So for your convenience, that actual price you make, you change into SP. Write SP there. I know it feel difficult. So to use the formula, there is not given here, is not saying SP. In play actual price, you write there SP. That is selling price. So make correction there. So now easily you can find out discount equal to MP minus SP. So here you look. Now let's see its solution for mobile. For mobile you look here. Here MP equal to rupees 7,000. SP equal to rupees 6,440. Discount percent equal to how much? We have to identify discount percent. But to find discount percent, first of all, we have to find discount amount. It means discount we have to find. So you look, we know discount equal to MP minus SP. Discount MP is rupees 7,000 minus and SP is rupees 6,440 equal to rupees 560. Check it. Is it correct or no? Everyone check it. Hello?
Correct.
Yes,
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, are you? So here is no confusion, yeah? You
No,
don't have
sir.
any confusion. Okay, just we are using the formula, but we have to use the appropriate formula. Now look here after this. Discount percent we have to find. Discount percent equal to actual discount upon MP into 100%. Here actual discount means discount. Don't be confused. In discount and actual discount, no difference. That discount is actual discount. Difference. Discount percent equal to, we have the formula, discount percent equal to discount upon MP into 100%. In place of actual discount, just you can discount, only discount also you can write. So now after this, you substitute the value. So you look here, substituting the value, here actual discount equal to 560, MP equal to 7. Discount and MP you can write this and rupees. So it is not necessary to, it is not compulsory to write their rupees. Actually, in numerator and denominator both the rupees we can cut. Okay. After this, After this, you look here, discount percent on mobile equal to 8%. Now we got discount percent on mobile equal to 8%. Similarly, try to find on radio, try to find on TV, try to find on heater by the same process. I think you can do. Can you do? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now it becomes very easy. Now another one, number 9. Last time we has asked me number 9. Here, have you? I think you have done anyway. Let's see here
Yes,
also.
sir.
Okay, have you done number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shubham, Shubham, Shubham or Manjila? Who has done?
I have
Yes.
done, sir.
Huh? Both of you have done?
Sir.
I have also.
Okay. Have you got the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shubham? Okay. Anyway, let's see here. Let's check here. I'll do here also. Because here 4 12 questions in a single question there. 4 questions are in here. Okay. Hey, Shubham. Yeah. We're moving here and there. Okay. Now let's see another number. Number 9. Okay. In number 9, let's see. Okay. Okay. Question, let's see here. Question number 9. Cost price of a torch is, torch means torch light. Cost price of a torch is rupees 1400. Its mark price is 14% more than the cost price. If the shopkeeper sells it at 20% discount, number 1A, what is the MP of the torch? Number B, how much discount did the customer get? Number C, how much did the customer pay for the torch? Number D, find the profit that the customer got from the torch. Okay, 4 questions here. First of all, we have to find MP. How to find MP? So, first of all, you write down the given things. What are the given? Here, cost price given. And from the cost price, we can find out the MP. MP condition is given. That condition we have to apply. From that condition, we can find out the MP. MP equal to CP plus 40% of CP. Okay. So you look, CP plus 40% of CP. Because MP is 40%. So cost 100. So 40% more means we have to add. More means to make more we have to add. It becomes more. So CP plus 40% of CP. So 1400 plus 40% means 40 upon 100 into CP means 1400. Now simplify. 40 upon 100 into 1400 equal to 560. So here 1400 plus 560 equal to we get 1960. Therefore MP of a torch is rupees 1960.
Sir, our formula to calculate that MP is that CP plus 40%.
Yeah, that's the go from given condition. Here condition actual not formula here that is condition you have to understand. Look, त्यहाँ भनेको कुरा बुझ्नु पर्यो के भनेको छ मार्क चाहिँ सीपी भन्दा 40% ले बढी छ अरे भनेर भनेको छ त्यहाँ we have to apply that condition त्यहाँ you must understand the question. Okay, from that condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next. Okay, next you look here. Next question is B number we have to find how much discount the customer get भन्छ discount भनेको 20% discount भनेको छ त्यहाँनेर. Look here 20% discount भनेको हुनाले 10% डिस्काउन्ट भनेको भएदेखि 10% निकाल्नु पर्थ्यो, बट हियर इज गिभन 20% डिस्काउन्ट, सो वी हेभ टु फाइन्ड 20% अफ एमपी। जहिले पनि बुझ्ने these things, always discount is given on MP, remember, always discount is given on MP। केमा भनेर दिएकै छैन यहाँनिर, तर आफैले जान्नु पर्यो डिस्काउन्ट जहिले पनि एमपी मा अलाउड गरिन्छ, एमपी को हो त्यो। त्यही हुनाले डिस्काउन्ट इक्वल टु 20% अफ एमपी, व्हिच इज इक्वल टु 20/100 इन्टु ₹1960। त्यही हुनाले हामीले पहिला यहाँ एमपी निकाल्यौं, अब एमपी निकालिसकेपछि मात्रै वी क्यान फाइन्ड आउट डिस्काउन्ट। अनलेस फाइन्डिङ एमपी वी क्यानट फाइन्ड डिस्काउन्ट। सो फर्स्ट अफ अल वी गट MP. Now we can find out discount because discount equal to 20% of MP. So 20/100 into MP भनेको rupees and cot $392 as a discount. जो किन्ने मान्छे छ त्यो किन्ने मान्छेले डिस्काउन्ट कति पाएछ त? How much got the discount?
392.
Yeah, 392 ले छुट पायो डिस्काउन्ट भनेको। So we also want discount while going to buy anything, discount. Here this customer also got ₹392 as discount, as a discount. Now number C, अब number C मा भन्छ, अब कस्टमरले कति तिर्यो भन्छ, कति तिर्यो अब वी आर नियर, भेरी इजी। एमपी मा डिस्काउन्ट सब्ट्र्याक्ट गरेपछि त उसले तिरेको, उसले कति तिर्यो भन्ने आइहाल्छ। यो भनेको कति तिर्यो भनेको एसपी हो, त्यो पसलेले कतिमा बेच्यो त्यति नै उसले तिर्या हो। ओके, सो वी हेभ एसपी इक्वल टु एमपी माइनस डिस्काउन्ट 1960 एन्ड डिस्काउन्ट भनेको ₹392, which is equal to ₹1568. Therefore, the customer paid ₹1568. यति मार्क प्राइस। उसले बेच्न खोजेको त कतिमा हो भन्दाखेरि 1960 मा हो। एमपी त त्यति छ नि, तर बिक्री भएन, डिस्काउन्ट दियो। डिस्काउन्ट दिएपछि भनेपछि उसले कति तिर्यो त भन्दाखेरि ₹1568. That much a customer paid. Now number D. In number D, find the profit that the customer got from the torch. अब find the profit the customer got from the torch भन्छ। ओके, नट है कस्टमर, त्यो शॉपकीपर हुनु पर्ने ठाउँ छ है। कस्टमर त कहाँ, यो बेचेकै होइन, यो त शॉपकीपरले बेचेको। देयरफोर करेक्सन, लिटल बिट करेक्सन, यो कस्टमरको ठाउँमा हुनुपर्ने के हो भन्दाखेरि हियर मस्ट बी शॉपकीपर, बुक शॉपकीपरै छ। ओके, लेट्स सी हियर shopkeeper. Okay, shopkeeper. Okay, so now it's all right. Find the profit the shopkeeper from the torch भन्छ। अब त्यो टर्च बेच्दाखेरि शॉपकीपरले प्रॉफिट कति गेन गर्यो भन्छ उसले। It's very easy.
XP minus CP.
Huh? कति गेन? How much?
160.
Okay, you look here. Okay, उसले बेच्यो 1000, किनेको उसले किन्दा चाहिँ कतिमा किनेको थियो? Yeah.
1400.
So yeah,
Yes, sir.
profit equal to SP minus CP.
Yes, minus
Profit
C.
equal to SP minus CP. हैन? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
After
So you look here, profit in D number, profit equal to SP minus CP, which is equal to SP भनेको ₹1568 minus CP भनेको ₹1400. Now we are getting rupees 168. Therefore, the profit got by the shopkeeper from the stores is rupees 168. So, rupees 168 got by the shopkeeper. Okay. Now, अब यस्तै किसिमले नम्बर 10 मा in number 10 find out the bill amount to be paid for the following goods भन्छ. बिल अमाउन्ट को यो बिल अमाउन्ट भनेको के भन्नु खोजेको हो यो? व्हाट डु यु मीन बाइ बिल अमाउन्ट? टेल मी. फाइन्ड आउट. यहाँ दिएको छ के दिएको छ? एमपी दिएको छ. एमपी गिवन, डिस्काउन्ट गिवन, भ्याट पर्सेन्ट गिवन. Then what do you mean by here bill amount?
SP.
Not only
SP,
that.
sir.
SP with that.
Yeah, SP with VAT. If you are not clear about the question, okay, you cannot solve correctly. यहाँ भन्नु खोजेको के हो भन्दाखेरि किन्ने मान्छेले त के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि भ्याट पनि तिर्नु पर्छ. सो एसपी विथ भ्याट भनेको यहाँनेर हामीले पहिला निकाल्नु पर्छ एसपी, अनि त्यो एसपी निकालिसकेपछि we have to add VAT in that SP. That gives the bill amount. So here, first of all, you look here, 10 number A, I give you hints, try to do. अब पहिला यहाँ दिएको छ के दिएको छ भन्दाखेरि 4 columns there. First column is the column of goods. Second column is the column of MP. Third column is the column of discount. And
fourth one is VAT.
Yeah, electric jug here. First one, first good, first article, first item is electric jug. And MP of electric jug is rupees 980. And discount percent is 5% and VAT is 13%. Then what is the bill amount of electric jug? How much is the bill amount for electric jug? Suppose you are going to buy an electric jug, how much you have to pay? It means how much you have to pay with 13% VAT. 13% VAT. You cannot escape from VAT. You cannot. It means you have to include VAT also. How to find it? How to do it? Okay, look here. So first of all, write down the
VAT
things.
amount.
Okay. यहाँनेर भन्नु खोजेको के हो भन्दाखेरि बिल अमाउन्ट भनेको चाहिँ बिल अमाउन्ट मिन्स एसपी विथ भ्याट. बिल अमाउन्ट भनेको एसपी विथ भ्याट. फर्स्ट अफ अल यु फाइन्ड एसपी. सो त्यो एसपी निकाल्नुको पर्सेन्ट निकाल्ने, डिस्काउन्ट निकाल्ने. हाउ टु फाइन्ड डिस्काउन्ट?
Discount percent of it.
टेल मी हाउ टु फाइन्ड डिस्काउन्ट?
Discount
Discount percent of MP.
Yeah, discount percent of MP. Always discount given on MP. So discount निकाल्नलाई 5% of MP गर्ने. यो 5% भनेको 5 upon 100 into MP भनेको 980. Now simplifying भनेको cutting and cut and simplify, you will get rupees 49. अब 5% of MP भनेको यो इलेक्ट्रिक जग को लागि फर इलेक्ट्रिक जग डिस्काउन्ट इज रुपीस 49. You will get rupees 49 as discount. अब त्यस पछाडी एसपी निकाल्न सकिन्छ. Now find एसपी. एसपी भनेको के हुन्छ? एसपी भनेको
MP minus this.
yeah, MP minus discount. MP भनेको रुपीस 9. We just before we got rupees 49. 980 minus rupees 49 भनेको rupees 931 आयो. अब सेलिङ प्राइस आयो, तर यो सेलिङ प्राइस निकालेर मात्रै पुग्दैन. अब के गर्ने? नाउ वी हैव टु फाइन्ड एसपी विथ भ्याट. भनेको के हो? एसपी विथ भ्याट भनेको एसपी प्लस भ्याट पर्सेन्ट अफ एसपी. या एसपी प्लस भ्याट पर्सेन्ट अफ एसपी. अब एसपी भनेको रुपीस 931 छँदैछ. भ्याट पर्सेन्ट भनेको 13% छ. अब सजिलो उपाय के गर्न सकिन्छ भने रुपीस 931 प्लस पर्सेन्ट 13% भनेको एक्चुअली 0.13. 0.13 into 931 गर्ने त्यसरी गरे प्लस ओके 0.13 into 931 गर यो भनेको कति आउँछ चेक कति आउँछ ओके विल चेक हियर वेट यसलाई फरक किसिमले पनि गर्न सकिन्छ एज आई सेड ओके एसपी भनेको 931 भइहाल्यो प्लस भ्याट पर्सेन्ट
121.03.
ओके 3 into 931 गर्दा पनि आउँछ लाइक दिस यु विल गेट रुपीज 102 एलसीएम गरेर गरे पनि भयो यहाँनिर एनीवे वी गेट द सेम आन्सर एलसीएम भनेको 13/100 हुन्छ त्यो डिनोमिनेटरमा 100 छ त्यो 100 ले 931 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने देन यु विल गेट 93,100 प्लस अब 12 र 931 मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यु विल गेट 12,103 एड देम यु विल गेट 105,203 एन्ड डिभाइड बाइ 100 गर्दाखेरि कति आउँछ भन्दाखेरि 1052.03 आउँछ रुपीज 1052.03 ओके यो भनेको चाहिँ एसपी विथ भ्याट यो एसपी विथ भ्याट भनेको चाहिँ बिल अमाउन्ट भयो therefore you can write bill amount for electric jug equal to rupees 1052.03
Sir,
I think you can do
sir, can you please repeat that process of SP with VAT person?
SP with VAT भनेको SP with VAT भनेको SP plus VAT percent of SP ओके अब म यहाँ छोटो अलिक वेट कसरी निकाल्ने यसमा ओके यु लुक हियर अब यहाँ वेट
Sir, you told SP plus VAT percent of SP?
yeah SP plus VAT percent of SP okay SP
Okay,
with
sir.
VAT भनेको S the P okay with VAT भनेको okay here in this case S P okay VAT percent I will write here VAT percent P यो हुन्छ in this case okay you look here I will show in the screen also यहाँ हेर्ने यहाँ have you seen here you look here
Yes,
by
sir.
cursor I am SP with VAT equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP यहाँ percent लेखेको छु you can put your symbol अब यहाँ percent here this pronounce symbol so I am writing in word but here it supports but it takes time that percent यो VAT percent अब यहाँनिर SP भनेको how much we have got SP equal to rupees 931 we got अब VAT VAT percent भनेको चाहिँ 30 you can change into fraction मा लाँदाखेरि 13/100 हुन्छ into SP भनेको त्यही 931 now after this you simplify finally you will get rupees 1052.03 can you do further
Yes, sir.
okay this is only for electric jug try to do for TV set try to do for mobile try to do for computer and try to do number 11 12 13 also these are very important
12 number.
these are important okay and once try everyone do try if you could not okay no problem but anyway do try number 11 12 13 after this okay
afternoon.